you see the letter of today is letter C. The letter of today is letter
C.
C. Letter C, as all of alphabet, has two forms. Has two
Forms.
capital 1 and lowercase 1. Capital 1 and lowercase.
1.
And as we said before, to learn writing any form of any letter, we need to draw 4 lines. We need to draw
4 lines.
according to the capital form of letter C. We start from line number 1 and ends at line number 3. No, at line number 3. And we draw capital Z as half a circle. As half a circle. This is the capital form of letter C. Half a circle starts from line number 1 and ends at line number 3. And the small form is the same. Also, it's a half a circle, but between line number 2 and line number 3, like that. We draw half a circle between line number 2 and line number 3. Okay? Like that, we learn the shape of the two forms of capital and small c, or capital and lowercase c. Forms of letter C. How we write the capital form of letter C?
Half a circle.
How we write the capital form of letter C?
Half a circle.
Half a circle starts from line number 1 and ends at line number 3. How we draw the lowercase of letter C?
Also half a circle.
But between the line number 2 and line number 3. Okay? Because it's lowercase, it's smaller in size. Like that, we learn that the name of this letter is letter C, and the shape of two forms of this letter is half a circle, but the capital one is big, the lowercase one is small. And after that, we need to learn which sound letter C can make. Alright? Letter C makes the sound what? Makes the sound K. Make the sound
K.
Letter C make the sound K.
K.
K. K. Letter C makes the sound
K.
like what? I show you some pictures. All of them starts with letter C. So all of them will start with the sound K. Who can recognize what's the name of this animal?
Cat.
Cat. Look, this animal, its name is cat. Its name is cat. Which the beginning sound? What's the beginning sound in this word? Look, cat. 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 So if this word starts with letter C make the sound K, because the beginning sound because letter C make the sound.
K.
Letter C make the sound.
K.
Letter C make the sound.
K.
Okay, and now today we study letter what?
Letter C.
Letter C. Today we study letter. Today we study letter.
C.
Letter C make the sound.
K.
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 K. K. Letter C has how many forms?
2, 4.
Two forms. How we write the capital form of letter C?
Half a circle.
Half a circle. And how we draw the lowercase form of letter C?
Half a circle, but between 2 lines, 2 and 3.
Perfect, because it's smaller inside. What this?
Cat.
What is here then? What this?
Cat.
And what this?
Cup.
And what about this?
Computer.
And this is what?
Cup.
Cup. So stand up please.
Stand up.
Write capital and small form of letter C. Capital C. Is this right?
False. No.
Is this like this?
No. No.
So,
No. No.
so what?
So.
Repeat again. Write capital and small c. Is this right?
No. Also false.
Capital form is right. Starts from line number 1 and ends at line number.
3.
What about small form? Starts from here to here. Don't go down. Don't go down. Only between the two lines. Only between. All right. This is letter what? This is letter what?
Letter
Yeah.
C.
Letter what?
Letter C.
Letter C. This is which form?
Capital form.
And this is which form?
Small form.
All right. How you write the capital form?
Capital.
How you write it?
Half circle.
And how you write the small form?
Half circle.
Letter C make the sound what?
Make the sound good.
Give me some words starts with the sound K.
Computer.
Computer,
Cup.
cup,
Car.
car,
Cat.
cat. Clap to them please. Okay, good. Who else can come here and do the same? Come here, Marlo. And now, firstly, write the two forms of letter C. Write the capital form firstly and then the small form. Is this right?
Also false.
What's the wrong?
False.
What's the wrong?
What are 2 wrongs?
What are these wrongs?
Capital C, half a circle, no curve.
Alright.
And small c between 2 and 3. Not
Between the lines 2 and 3. Like that you do curve. Like that you draw half a circle. Like that you draw curve between line number 1 and line number 2. But we say the small form between line 2 and line 3. So the correct position to writing small c is here, not here. Okay? And now this is letter what? C. Letter C make the sound what? Not S. Letter C make the sound S.
No,
K. Make the sound K. Give me words starts with the letter C beginning with the sound K. Any word start with the sound K. Start with letter C.
Cup.
Cup. car,
computer,
computer,
car,
and car. Cat. All right, clap to Marwan, please. Boys, come here. Sit down, Adam. Sit down. Sit down politely. Is this politely? Huh?
Yes.
Really? Are you sure, ya Marwan? Are you sure?
Cut the form
Yeah.
of a circle between line number 1 and line number 3.
But you do the same wrong of Marwan. You draw a curve, not have a circle. And what about the small form?
Between line number 2 and line number 3, half a circle.
Alright, these are the two forms of letter C. Have a circle between line number 1 and line number 3. And lowercase form, have a circle between line number 2 and line number 3. Letter C has how many forms?
2 forms.
The big one
Capital form,
and the small one.
lowercase form.
Letter C make the sound K. Give me words start with the sound K.
Cat,
Cat,
cup,
cup,
computer,
computer,
car.
and car. All of these words start with the sound K, and that means starts with the letter
C.
C. So that means letter C make the sound K. Alright, these are the two forms of letter C, capital and small. And now letter C make the sound what?
Up,
Yeah. What's the sound of letter C? Yeah, C make the sound what, Yasila? Letter C, Yasila, make the sound what? Focus and answer. Make the sound what? K. K. What about some words start with the sound K? And now Omar will show us how can we draw the capital form of letter C. Let's start, Omar. Right? The capital form of letter C. No. In the correct position between line number 1 and line number 3. We finished. We finished. Omar, we start from here and ends here. No, we start from up. We start from here like that and round to reach here. And now, what about the small form? Yeah, between this line and this line, second and third line. Between the two lines, No, like that. Between the second and third line. Okay? This is letter what? This is letter E? Omar, say this letter is letter E. Is this right?
False.
What this letter?
Letter C.
This is letter? No T. This is letter what?
C.
This is letter what? C.
No.
C. Letter C make the sound what? Letter C make the sound what? The sound. S or K or B or what? Letter C make the sound what? Make the sound K. K. What this? And this? And what about this? This?
Cup.
Go back to your place.
Cup.
Don't come here without permission. Be polite and respect your friends. Alright, go يا عمر. Clap to Omar, please. And now I say certain word and you will tell me about the beginning letter, okay? From the sound you can tell me about the beginning letter. Alligator. Letter A. Cat. Letter C. Bed. Letter B. Banana. Letter B. Computer. C. Good. Apple. Good. Pear. Bed. Axe. You repeat the words after me. I want you to tell me about the beginning letter. Axe. Bed and